ignition. Run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit.
Hey Colorful Weirdos! My name is Nina and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Nina. So for today's video is a get ready with me chit chat. Yes, updated get ready with me. This is what I do. Like, this is what I do in an online class sometimes pag may time ako. If kunyari 3 PM yung class ko, then that's when I take my time to do my hair and makeup. For me, bakit kailangan pa mag-makeup online class naman? Kasi for me, mas productive ako doon pag nagme-makeup ako. Yeah. Yun lang. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get on to it. Then after tying my hair, I moisturize my face. Then after that, I put this brightening cream by Celeteque. So I put this all over my face. Para rin siyang foundation, pangdagdag foundation. Yeah. I'm gonna look down here kasi andito yung mirror ko. It's different kasi pag sa camera. I'm gonna use KIKO Milano Full Coverage 2-in-1. Paubos na siya guys, kaya inuubos ko na lang din siya. So I'm gonna use this just in my under eyes kasi tayo, puyat. Always puyat. If you don't have this one, I recommend getting the L'Oreal foundation or Maybelline. I have a lot of foundations kasi nag-iiba yung skin tone ko pag nagko-color ko ng hair. I don't know why, pero ewan ko, nagla-lighten pag blue hair, pero pag red or blonde, I'm more tanner. Is that even a word? Pero ganon. So I have like 3 foundations na iba-ibang shade. Yung isa, Superstay 24 Coverage Foundation from Maybelline. Sobrang luma na nito kasi hindi ako nagbo-blue hair usually, but this is my blue hair foundation. Then for my blonde and pink hair, ito yung foundation ko. It's L'Oreal True Match foundation. I'm in the shade N7. Here naman, ano bang shade ko dito? Hindi ko mahanap. Ayun, 310 Sun Beige. And then sometimes I use this Maybelline Fit Me. What's this? 228. That's my shade, 228. In this shade, it's Soft Tan from Maybelline. Since wala akong pump, I do this na lang. Itong, I don't know, foundation mini brush. Yung tawag ko dito. Blend it again with my oval brush. Ito lang yung oval brush ko. So, I'm a college student. Siguro 4th year. I don't know. I think I'm 4th year. Medyo magulo utak ko. So, I think so. So, I'm studying interior design. Yeah. I'm currently 22 years old. If hindi nyo pa alam, 22 years old. And by the way, I'm using BYS Matte Finish. Loose powder, sand beige. Hindi na tayo magbe-bake kasi paminsan tinatamad na ako mag-bake. So, tap, tap, tap. And then, I just do this. Para mukha pa rin fresh. Usually, I take around 5 minutes sa makeup ko. Right now, medyo matagal lang. Kasi nakikipag pag-chika ko, ganito, ganyan. Then, for my bronzer, I'm using this KIKO Milano Ocean Feel, number 3, Perfect Tan. You guys are asking me, ano yung favorite kong hair color na nagawa ko na this past quarantine? Siguro my pink hair. If you don't know, favorite ko talaga is pink. Pink color. Hot pink is my favorite color. Yun. But my aesthetic is more like bohemian, you know. I also like mga macrame, ganun. Clay, powdery clay. I like that. So for the for the blush, I'm using Blushing Goddess by Ella and Mila. I got this from Balik Bukid. It's in yung Balik Bukid, if you don't know that, sa ano yun, tawag dito, sa Santa Elena. So yun, ganun lang, blush. Hindi kasi bagay sa blue hair yung medyo drunk look sa blush. So parang may kulay lang yung cheeks ko. So for my brows, I'm gonna use Chocolate Chip palette. Brush your brow hair. So this is how I do my brows. Pag di pantay, hindi pantay. For my brows, the Sunnies. For my eyeliner, I'm gonna use this one. Parang, ano lang siya, everyday eyeliner. This is also what I do for, if you don't know, may TikTok din ako. You can follow me there. Ito rin yung ginagawa ko for, pag nag-makeup ako, pag TikTok, ganito, ganyan. So the next one is, I put 2 mascaras if you don't know. That's what I do, always. This one, by Lash Paradise, L'Oreal. I'm gonna use Brunette by Beauty Manila. It's the shade brown. Kasi the other one, the wifey type, is red and medyo intense siya sa color ko. Maybe because of my blue hair then. Pero yeah, this is what I always use. It's a matte lip tint. So this is what I always use. It's a matte lip tint by Beauty Manila. And then to top it off with the gloss, I'm gonna use my very own Jars lip gloss. then, if you want to buy or just check my account, I'm gonna link it down below as well. So yeah, this is Acacia Gloss. It has yellow tint in it. But yeah, sometimes ito na lang ginagamit ko for pag di ko trip mag lip tint. Ito yung ginagamit ko, or because I have 3 shades that I'm selling right now. So I'm selling lavender gloss, rose gloss, and a acacia gloss. So yeah, if you wanna buy, you can DM me at Jar's account or on my account, Nina.Rito. And then after that, I'm gonna parang down my hair. And that's the finished look. Medyo di hassle, pero medyo hassle. Pag I only do this, madami akong time. If boarding class, expect a bagong gising girl. Yun lang. Pero pag kunyari 3 PM pa yung class ko, I take time and get ready. Because sometimes, for me, mas productive ako pag I get ready. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified when I have a new video.
The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain.